Living on a low income can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can employ to increase your income and improve your financial situation. Here are 5 ways to consider: 1. Enhance your skills and education. Invest in acquiring new skills or furthering your education. Look for affordable or free courses, workshops, or online platforms that can help you gain valuable knowledge and qualifications. 2. Seek additional employment. Consider taking up a part-time job or finding freelance work to supplement your income. Look for opportunities that align with your skills and interests, and explore options that offer flexible schedules. 3. Start a side business. Identify your strengths, passions, and hobbies and explore the possibility of turning them into a small business. It could be anything from selling handmade crafts, tutoring, or offering freelance services in your area of expertise. 4. Take advantage of the gig economy. Platforms such as Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, and Fiverr offer opportunities to earn extra income on your terms. 5. Maximize your existing income. Explore ways to maximize your income by reviewing your budget and cutting unnecessary expenses. Look for ways to save on bills, groceries, and transportation costs. Remember, increasing your income may take time and effort, but with determination and a proactive mindset, you can gradually improve your financial situation and achieve your goals.